Here's our Mr. Skinny Malinky. Come on, sweetheart. He's a good girl. We're wearing our blanket at a very jaunty angle and our draft across. Come on, my love dove. Here. Oh, let's see what's going on with those legs. Okay. Might need to go and sort her blanket for her. He's having a good big long drink, which is lovely to see. Here you are, darling. Just keep an eye. It's nice because although they didn't come from the same place, you're still keeping an eye on the girls that came in with them. A good boy. But carrot? Yes, I don't mind if I do. Oh, you want another bit? I'll take it back. Oh, right, chew it first. Chew, chew. Swallow, swallow. Munch, munch.